Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about skin depth. So for this, let a good conducting medium. So for good conducting medium, the conductivity sigma is far greater than the angular frequency of a wave. Okay, so means due to this high conductivity, the attenuation constant alpha is also high. Means for a good conducting medium, due to this large attenuation constant, which is called as lossy medium. So for this lossy medium, an EM wave is not able to penetrate. So here the electric field is approximately equals to e power minus alpha z, means which is the negative exponential, which is like this. If you take z is the value at z is equals to 1 by alpha, will have a meaningful penetration through a conductor. So z is equals to, at z is equals to 1 by alpha, the amplitude of the signal is almost laid down to the initial stage. So when wave propagates in this medium, it travels effectively to z is equals to 1 by alpha. For z greater than 1 by alpha, the field will be very less, which is for greater than, here it is. If you take this is the z is equals to 1 by alpha, after this z is equals to 1 by alpha, almost the field is very less. So this medium is called as lossy medium. The effective depth or skin depth is represented with delta. Delta is equals to 1 divided by alpha. For a good conducting medium, alpha is very high due to this sigma. So that's why it is called as lossy medium. So for good conductivity medium, the EM wave is not able to penetrate through the walls. So the rate of attenuation increases with respect to omega and sigma. Depth of penetration is defined as, which is the reciprocal of attenuation constant. Delta is equals to 1 by alpha. For a conducting medium, alpha is equals to square root of omega mu sigma divided by 2. Therefore, the skin depth is equals to square root of 2 divided by omega mu sigma. Okay, that is equals to square root of 2 divided by omega is the angular frequency, which is 2 pi f into mu into sigma. 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, depth of penetration of a EM wave is equals to 1 divided by pi f mu sigma. This is the depth of penetration of an EM wave into a good conducting material. If you observe, the skin depth is inversely proportional to the frequency and it is also inversely proportional to conductivity. So for high frequency and high conductivity, will have effective depth of penetration is very less. So for good conductors and for high frequencies, the depth of penetration is very less. Only the EM wave will be penetrated for lossless mediums. Next is phase velocity. The phase velocity will be represented as V suffix P. The phase velocity is the ratio between angular frequency to the phase constant, which is angular frequency, which is phase constant. Okay. For free space, beta is equals to square root of omega into mu naught epsilon naught. So the phase velocity Vp is equals to omega divided by omega into mu naught into epsilon naught. Omega will get cancelled, which will become 1 divided by mu naught into epsilon naught. So if you substitute all these values, you will get that it was 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second, which is equals to velocity of light. Okay, so for free space, the phase velocity is equals to velocity of light. For a good dielectric materials, means lossless dielectric. For lossless dielectric, beta is equals to omega into square root of mu into epsilon. For good dielectric, omega mu is equals to mu naught, epsilon is equals to epsilon into epsilon r. Therefore, beta is equals to omega into square root of mu naught epsilon naught into epsilon r. That is equals to. So therefore, the phase velocity is equals to omega divided by beta. That is omega divided by omega into square root of mu naught epsilon r. Omega will get cancelled. That is equals to 1 divided by mu naught epsilon naught into 1 by square root of epsilon r. Already this is velocity of light. So Vp is equals to 1 by c into 1 divided by square root of epsilon r. This is r else c divided by epsilon r. Square root of epsilon r is equals to c divided by Vp, which is called as refractive index. So next type of medium is, which is a good conducting medium. So for conducting medium, beta is equals to square root of omega mu sigma divided by 2. So the phase velocity Vp is equals to omega divided by square root of omega mu sigma divided by 2. That is equals to square root of 2 omega divided by mu into sigma. Here omega will be written as square root of omega whole square. So both will get cancelled and 2 will go to the numerator. And skin depth, we know that skin depth del is equals to 1 by alpha. That is equals to 1 by beta for conducting medium. Why? Because alpha is equals to beta. So Vp is equals to omega divided by beta. That is equals to omega into skin depth. So this is another formula for phase velocity for a good conducting medium.